Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Take a look at this one, guys. It's ARDX. Now, we saw this one in the pre-market. This is the tan area. So it had a nice little move in the pre-market, but of course we did not know it was going to do this once the market opened. And this one came from the scan that I absolutely love, the combo scan. Actually, the ARDX worked incredibly well. The NKTX 914 was the alert, got up to 1030 before it pulled back. These two didn't really do too much. This is a short opportunity. I'm going to take a look at it once I stop this video. But the ARDX, we had an alert at 691 from the combo scan. And again, if you want that scan, just come into the trading room and I can give it to you. But there was the alert. There's that blue arrow right there. And, you know, hardly any pullbacks whatsoever. So the alert happened at 691 and kept moving higher, 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 up to 809, a little bit of not even a pullback yet. And I think it's not an earnings play, but I think that what they've done is they've said, well, we know we release earnings in February. We're kind of preconditioning the market to say, you know what, they could be pretty good. So anyway, if you want that scan, just come into the trading room and I can give it to you. Okay, guys, when I get back into the room, have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow.